Hey YouTube, HDE-Tech here with another unboxing. Today we have in front of us two purple iPhone 14 Pros with no need for this guy. No need for a SIM card tool ejector. It won't even focus. So you SIM card ejector, you're out of here. Guess who's joining us today? Jack's the Russell Terrier. Hey, good boy, my main man. So, these two bad boys were picked up from the Apple Store today. And guess what? We're going to unbox them real fast, make a little fun of them. I was going to pop out my SIM card from my old 13 Pro. This side. Not anymore. No need. No need. Gone. No more SIM cards. eSIM, baby. eSIM. All right. Let's let Jax move on with his day. You okay, buddy? He's good. All right. Again, one-handed unboxing. Voila. I lied. I'm using both hands. Voila. You'll see it before me. Check out that purple. It's crazy purple. This shade, my angle, it's almost space gray. It's purple now. It's space gray now. Jeez. It's nice. Great success. Well, let's take it out. You guys will see it first. There used to be more things in this box, but you get one sticker. Ooh, it's eco-friendly papery sticker too. No longer physical SIM card. Yeah, a reminder, another takeaway. Another takeaway. So yeah, no need for a SIM ejector tool. If you travel somewhere and you need to pick up a local SIM, yep, we have a basic USB-C to Lightning cable. Usually that's included, but nothing else. Nothing else. Let's put this aside and do a little side-by-side comparison with the 13 Pro. Same size. It's alive! Wow! So I don't know if you guys could see the color difference. Sierra blue, deep purple, deep. It's nice. Well, there's your dynamic island right there. So pretty. You get to play with it. Anyway, that's it. Quick unboxing. The other one is the same product, same storage, 256 gig. Don't forget, it does have a 48 megapixel camera. I believe it's this one down here, main camera. That's a 48 megapixel camera. However, to take advantage of that, you have to enable Apple Pro RAW feature from settings, camera, and format type, something like that. Well, I'll be setting this up and just go from there. I don't know what to do with this. Maybe eBay? Maybe Apple Store? I don't know. Alright, y'all. Looking forward to this deep purple. Does it match the shirt? Yeah, shirt's purple, but not deep. Alright, thanks everyone. A peace!